is that a billionaire say, yeah, or he said that the price will go here to 250,000. Yeah, let's look which billionaire this is. I adjust my screen a little bit. So you can see our article. Billionaire Tim Draper doubles down on 250,000. Bitcoin prediction. Here's his timeline. Yeah, so I have a smile a little bit. Please look to the day here, 27th of May 2022. Very exclusive from 2 days ago. Let's look what we can see here. So Draper says in a new interview that by the end of this year is 2022, or early next year, okay, he give us 1 year, yeah, that he said that Bitcoin will go to 250,000. Wow. Okay, a millionaire say to us in the next 1 year or end of this year, Bitcoin will hit 250,000. So let's check if this is coming true or not. Yeah. Why a millionaire should warn us? Yeah. I think he has enough money. Why he want that we should know this information that Bitcoin will go here to 250,000? Why he make this? Do you think about this? So we should believe that Bitcoin go to 250,000. We invest now, yeah, and wait. This topic we will also discuss, yeah, if it is the right time to invest now or not. So yeah, you mean here that when everybody use Bitcoin, that is going faster to 250,000. Let's discuss this, if it is possible that Bitcoin can go to 250,000. Let's adjust my screen a little bit so that we look to this chart. So let's start. He said that the price of Bitcoin, what he think, end of this year 2022, this is this time frame, and he mentioned, okay, end of 2020, 2023. So he gave us this time frame. He said, okay, Bitcoin will go to this day here to 250,000. So yeah, he think, okay, the price of Bitcoin will go here to 250,000. And he said, okay, if this not works, then this will work. Okay, these are the answers from a billionaire. Yeah, okay. Should we believe in that? What do you think? I look to the chat. So, okay, you can write in the chat. Then we can. I want to know your view to Bitcoin. Is this possible? Yes, I like the music also. Yeah, that's the reason why I put this. Wait, please write in the chat. I will discuss this with you. Do you believe that Bitcoin could go to 250,000? Please. I wait. So I wait for you. What you think? Is this possible what the billionaires say to us? Yes, but not in this term. And in which term? Okay, 2024. No, this won't go this soon, okay? I mean, he said 250,000 when we are only at 29,000. I don't think so. When the price is going to the downside, we have also possibility to go to 250,000, but the time frame is for me not what I like. Yeah, 250,000 by when? Yeah, this question I will give you an answer. Yeah, the exact answer, not the answer from a billionaire. Not this year. Okay. Yes, in 6 years. Okay. Whatever. I would say not in 6 years. A little bit earlier, I would say. But a long time. Not, it won't reach 250,000 in this year. Yes, I give you right. Maybe his dream. Yes. Also his dreams. The reason is, I give you the answer. The reason is why these billionaires give these informations to us, that you should read this, yeah? You should read this, yeah? 250,000. Then you look to the Bitcoin price today. You look, okay, 30,000. Wow, 30,000 to 250,000. I can make money, big money, yeah? They want that you should read this, and the reason why you should invest is that they want that you should lose money. That's the reason why they published this article. Yeah, not the platform. I mean, not the platform. The billionaires. The billionaires don't want that you make money. Yeah, and that's the reason why they publish this 250,000 to this time that you invest here at 30,000. Yeah, they want that you should believe that Bitcoin is at the moment cheap and that the price will go to 250,000. That you should think, okay, I will invest here and the price is going here to 250,000. No, they want that you should lose money. The reason is here, what I not believe that the price will go here 250,000 is this. Yeah, exact. Forget the 250,000. They talk here shit. Yeah, the price of Bitcoin will go here to, let's look to 9,000. Yeah, and they smile to you and say, haha, everything is going well. Yeah, we said 250,000, the people lose money, and they buy here at 9,000. Yeah, that's the fact. So, yes, they can take uneducated people money. That dumb article. Yes, I give you right. Okay, Bitcoin halving in 2024. Yes, I give you right. So let's look to the timeline. What I think the price of Bitcoin will go to 250,000. So he said, the billionaire said here, end of 2022. You can forget this. This is too small, or the timeline is too short. Yeah, we cannot expect that the price is going direct to the upside. Yeah? So you can forget end of the year. This timeline is also fake. 2023. This is also too short here. Yeah, they lie to you. So you can forget these two lines. This billionaire, he know the answer, but give us another information. So I think the price will go here to 9,000, because we have here channel 1. Yeah, this is channel 1 here, and channel 2. Bitcoin will enter soon channel 2. Yeah, we already break here the structure here. Yeah, and the next is to come here in these levels. If you reach the 20,000, you will see this reaction of Bitcoin. Yeah, the price will break here to the downside, 18,000, 19,000. A big neckline. You can see I make this in green. So, and Bitcoin will not break this neckline. Yeah? This is because this is a very strong neckline. One subscriber write that here is a halving. That not means if a halving is here 2024 that the price is going very quick to the upside. So we need here the time. So I think we will get something like that. Yeah? And we will go here to these levels. I think this will happen between 2025 and 26. Yeah. And then after that the price will go here to this level, 140,000 levels. And he mentioned that the price will go to 250,000. I not believe in that. You need the time, yeah. And you can see we have here a megaphone pattern. Yeah, this megaphone pattern is important for us. Yeah. And you can see forget the 250,000. We staying here at 140,000. Yeah, it depends how quick we can go here to the upside. Let's look. In my eyes, we could go here to 120,000. Yeah, and a really big crash is coming down. Yeah, so forget the 250,000. These people don't say to you the truth. They want that you should lose money, and that's the reason why they predict you 250,000. So we're looking maybe here interesting article about the view from the FTX owner Sam Bankman-Fried. Let's adjust a little bit. He said here interesting information. The reporter asked him what is the next Bitcoin, yeah, and he answered.
For mass adoption. In other words, what is the next Bitcoin, Ethereum, so on and so forth?
Yeah, I don't know for sure, but what I will say is that if you look at what it would take to have, say, a billion
I hope you can hear
use
something.
cryptocurrency, to have a billion people use blockchain infrastructure, right? If each one of those is sort of using it in the same way that we use social media or finance today, that's going to be creating probably millions of transactions per second for the blockchain. And you can see this if you just look at the transaction throughput of current large, financial, social media, or basically any large online application. And from that perspective, one thing that I thought about a lot is what are the blockchains that could scale to that level, that could scale to millions of transactions per second in a composable native way. I've been on the record a lot saying that I think Solana has a real shot at doing so, which I think is really exciting. I think there are other tokens out there as well that are aiming to scale quite a bit. Avalanche is one of them.
So he mentioned here two cryptos. One is Solana and one is Avalanche. Yeah. So it's also in my eyes two cryptos that has really potential to the upside. Let's look to these cryptos. One is Solana. So you can see Solana crashed very hard to the downside. So I hope you can see something. So I think Solana is one of the hottest cryptos. You can see we have here a really good megaform pattern, but the problem at the Solana price is we already break the uptrend, yeah, and that's the reason why the price will go here to the downside. I would say let's look here more inside and find out how far we can go here at the Solana price. If you look here, then I would say that we have the energy to go here to $10. I would say if you look here, yes, I would say that we will go here to $10 here. So, but you can see what we have then for opportunities. So we're looking here. You can see we have here a resistance, but this will not hold or support. Yeah. and the price will go here to, let me look, $10, and we will stay here at these levels. Yeah. He mentioned Solana and Avalanche. Yeah, I see this exact the same. Yeah, I see here a really good potential, and after $10, I think we will pendling here at these levels. Yeah, more frustration, and so on, and the price will go in that way. And this year is a big hammer, and this will explode at the beginning of the next year. So I think we will build this structure, something like that. Yeah, but this is not, how can I say, this here is not the end formation. The vaults, they will sell Solana again at these levels, 120. Yeah, why? Because we have here a big resistance between 110 and 140. Yeah, that's the reason why the vaults, how can I say, a big sell-off is coming here at these levels. Yeah. So I look to the chat. Yeah, I saw this also, that the chat is a little bit slow, but this is I think on YouTube side. Yeah. Okay, yeah, you are right. I think the price of Solana will go to $9, $10, and so on. And I think then it's getting interesting. After that, yeah, if we're going to $10 areas, test this again, then we will, I think in 2023, we will make only a small test of 120. But this is also good for you. If you look, you have here the possibility from, I would say, between 10 and $20 to get here a really good make profit here at these levels. Yeah, but this is not the end target. I would say a really big sell-off is coming here, so that we can have to prepare us here, and then we look. We have to prepare us then for the big bull run at 2025. You can see we have no timeline, but this year is important here to test this again. Yeah, and this year between, I have no timeline, but I think between 2024 and 25, Solana will explode. Yeah, and that's the point here, that we will see here really a good uptrend. Yeah, so for me, I see Solana. Let me look. I see Solana here at $1,000. The price could go in the direction of $1,000. Yeah, that's the fact. Yeah, this is in my eyes. If the project is not dead, yeah, the price will explode. Yeah, you will not hold Solana. Let's look to the next. This is also, in my eyes, the big, um, one of the big cryptos has potential to the upside. Let's look. So let's look to this. Also the same. I think we will see that the price will go here to $10. Yeah. Let me look here. What we have here, also 24, 38. Yes, I would say $10. $10 is the price in which we will fall here at these levels, and then the same, yeah, the same view. So we're going to $10, but the billionaires say to us, okay, end of the year 2022, or end of 2023. They're lying to us. These prices will never go in this short time frame. Yeah, in my eyes, we will go here more sideways to make this formation. Yeah, this takes nearly 9 months. Yeah, and you can see we're staying at June. It takes time. I would say until mid of, I would say start of January, February 2023. So then we have this. You can see our inverse left shoulder hat and the right shoulder formation. And then the price will not go more to the downside. Yeah, the opposite will happen. We're going here to the upside. Prepare this formation. Yeah, you can see we have a left shoulder hat and a right shoulder, and then the price will explode here. 2024 to 25. Yeah, the big inflation is still here, and you will see something like that. The price, in my eyes, let me look. The price will go here to 800 or 900. Yeah. I know some of the people not believe that, but they have not the knowledge to understand this. This one was a pre-step. This is coming, and then this is coming in the mainstream. Yeah, every woman, every housewife will buy crypto, and that is here the reason why many people will buy, and that is planning by the elites and then by the rich, because the elites want or rich people or the worlds want that everybody should use cryptos, and they want this with this. Yeah, they want to push the price to the upside to 800. Everybody is talking about crypto, and then the people invest here in these cryptos. If you are smart, you invest here, not here, and then the price will fall um, very hard to the downside. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, pendling at this level is not 800. I would say at 200 or in these levels. It's a normal cycle. So we look into the chat. Yes, I give you a right. This is also a good crypto, KDA. Let's look. So we have to find here a good. Okay, here is also good, but not in the performance like Avalanche and Solana. Yeah, because the price is going from $1 to $30. Yes, I give you right. Yeah, this has potential, but not the same what we can expect from Solana and Avalanche. Is, but in my eyes, also a good crypto. Yeah. So I have an article about Warren Buffett. Let's look to them. So they're talking about if the price of Bitcoin can go to 1 million. So first, they talk about the view from Warren Buffett to the cryptos.
Like you said, Warren Buffett's called Bitcoin rat poison. He did admit that he missed a boat on that one. Now, I'm just wondering, like, Warren Buffett has avoided Apple for the longest time. And then now, but not now, but a few years ago, he's added Apple to his portfolio. It's now a big part of his holdings. And it's probably, I'm guessing it's just a simple lack of understanding. Warren Buffett is one of those people who doesn't buy something until he understands it. He famously said in one of his interviews regarding Apple that, yes, he missed a boat, but he's not, he doesn't regret missing a boat that he's not confident enough to captain. In other words, he didn't get it.
So I think the main information here, before we look to the whole video, is that Warren Buffett said that that Bitcoin isn't going to do anything. Yeah, and that is not true. Yeah, such informations not productive. Yeah, so they won't push the price of Bitcoin to the downside and give here negative information to the people. Yeah, in true, maybe they invested in Bitcoin, but they won't tell us, okay, Bitcoin is not good and so on. Yeah, and this is one of these articles. So let's look to other cryptos. What we have here, we can look to EOS. So I hope you can see this. I wait that the channel can update it. So we're looking here to EOS. I hope you can see this. So do you see the chart of EOS? Okay, now. So one subscriber asked about the EOS. I'm honest to you, I think EOS is big, yeah, but it's a sleep giant. Yeah. The reason is we have here wonderful formations, yeah, that tell us not so much. Yeah, I think we could get it's not financial advice, but we could get the price of EOS here at 40 cent. But in my eyes, um, the price of EOS will also explode. We have here a big triangle, and I see the price of EOS at least, yeah. Please, these are bull market prices, yeah. If you, if I say to you something, yeah, um, this is not happening here in 2 weeks or 2 months. We have here a typical signs that we have here a big left shoulder head and right shoulder formation. This is a similar like the XCP chart. Yeah, we have to build this structure, and you can see to build this structure we need here nearly 1.5 year. Yeah, in a 1.5 year you are frustrated. You will never look to EOS. Yeah, but these are the conditions to build here our next wave. Yeah, the next wave is that we have to break this negative channel here, big triangle, and we have a huge space. Look here. If you look here between 2022 and 24. So I don't know if you want wait so long time. Yeah, we could get also this here that the volts can stretch this to the downside. So, but the fact is we have to break out from this triangle, and then it's getting very interesting that we build this structure here. Look, yeah, and look for you, interesting learning about the technical analyze. I hope you can see this. So understand, price is going here out of this triangle. We sitting here and make these small formations. In true, we're forming here a big left shoulder head and right shoulder, and then the price will explode here. You will never, you cannot, the people not cannot stop then EOS price, because this is the how can I say, um, the formation in which we will break here out. This is a big triangle also here, and then we will fly here to the upside. So we look into the chat so that the other people not wait here. I would say straight to 20,000. Yeah, 19,000 test the level, and then we could retest the level of to 25,000. 30,000 I don't believe at the Bitcoin price, then from 25,000 down to 9,000. One question is, what is the best time to buy XRP? Please request this in the Wolf Profile and other membership, because you have there more exclusive content and more detailed information. Yeah. So I give this information or such information the Wolf Profile or other memberships. When are you doing more gem videos? Yeah, I have 30 or more cryptos that are really hot. Yeah. In the past, I made gem videos with really good targets. So I make this in the Wolf Exclusive Club. If you are interested, you can write me in Twitter, Hurricane Lava, and then I can tell you this, which are really hot. Some of them are in the Wolf Performance, but if you want the 30 of them, then please write me. I can give you an offer for this. So you talk about the down wick on the downtrend. Can you talk about the down wick in the bull market? Ah, you are smart. Yeah, you are really smart. Let's look to Bitcoin price. Go back, and that what you mean is this here. We have here two drops. One of them is this here. One of them is this here. The another one is this here. This could go to levels of, let me look, to 28,000, yeah, or more to the downside. This is the view in which we expect a bull market. Yeah, if the vaults want a manipulation from this market, then you will see. Let me look. I have to look to this. So this is a prediction for a bull market. If the vaults want here a bear market, then you can see this manipulation here. So they take this here to the downside. Yeah. So keep this in your mind. I expect here two drops. Yeah. For the really the bull market here. Yeah, we will see here two bull markets. Yeah. One step, and this is the second step. Yeah. This is the first one to break here the 75,000, go to 80,000, and then this is the second step. We will go here to more to the upside. Yeah. So we're looking to QNT if you want. So QNT holder. The prediction was right. I predict QNT from. I said to them, the QNT holder, the price will go to $30. They not believe. Yeah. Now you can see the price is coming to nearly 40. The prediction was true. Here, low price was 47. I would say we have now, let's look, we have now not much information about the history, but I found a chart that has history. Yes, this here, KuCoin. So if you look here to this KuCoin, then you can see that we have here at 26 a good base. Yeah, you can see the price is staying here at this level is 27, 26. So the next target is in my eyes 26, 23. Yeah, and we touch this one time, two time, three time. Normally it should hold. Yeah, but keep in your mind here, this is May 2021. Yeah, that means at these levels here, the Bitcoin price was 30,000. Let me check this. Look to June, May. Yeah, price of QT was 30. And let's look to Bitcoin. So 2021, May, June, the price was 30,000. So the performance of QT is better than Bitcoin. You can see 30,000, 30,000. Yeah, we stay here at these levels. And QT, normally the price of QT have to go to 26, but you can see the performance at the moment is a little bit better than in the past. So, but if Bitcoin drops, then we will go here to 26,000. But in my eyes, Bitcoin will go here to 9,000, so that we will not hold this. So end target is in my eyes, let me look, $12. I think the $12 could be tested. Let me look. Let's look more inside. So, and you can see from these spikes here that we are coming to the end. You can see this was our positive channel, yeah? And we lose the control here. We lose the control here, and we lose the control in this positive channel short term. Yeah. So we have here no possibility to come back here at these levels. Look here. If this is happening here, like this, then I would say, okay, the next target is here 93. But from this, we are far away, because you can see we are here at 65 and the RSI is here at 73. We are in an overbought situation. Look here, wake up, not sleep. Yeah, and that's the reason why I would not recommend it QT at these levels. I think we will smash to the downside. Yeah, very hard. Um, these are really hard. I would say between, let me look, between $10 and $12. This is my target here. I would expect something like that. And we can delete this so that you're not confused. Yeah. Let's me look. So a little bit pretty, yeah. But you can see here the end target. Let's me look. We make here exact 12, $10. So this is more exact for you. So perfect. So we're looking here to the next H bar. So if you have questions, please write this in the comment field. Thank you for your coming. Let's look. If you have questions, please write this in the chat. H bar. It's relatively clear what will happen. We will go here to 0.001 cent. Let me look. So you can see we have here a really big downtrend, and we are not yet out of this channel. The problem at the H bar is that we have here long term uptrend, yeah. But the problem is we already broke this, yeah, this year, and make a fake uptrend. Yeah, in real, this downtrend here show us okay, something big is coming, and then the next move is coming to the downside in this direction. Yeah. So I think we will see the low levels again here at 0.001, 0.002. So I would take here 2 cryptos, then I would finish if you want. Yes, Bitcoin has room or place to the downside, even if the RSI is low. So I answered your question. Let's look to, I would say we take the ICX and one more. Pooh, what we could take here, I would say let's look to this. Okay, let's find. Oh, this was good. Okay. Yeah, you have a typical triangle. Look here. You have here the price. This is the worst. This is the worst pattern. Yeah, you can see the price is going to $22. Has no energy to this, and this here. If you're coming to me at these levels, yeah, 2021, and say to me, has this potential to the upside, then I would say to you no, yeah, because this is a clear sign to us. Look here, high here, and this has no potential or no energy to break the uptrend here. So this is even more worse. Yeah, you can see it's going more to the downside, and now we have a really more bad patterns. You can see we are out of this triangle. So this year will not happen here. This year, yeah, you can see this the fourth time this will not happen. And that means this was channel 1. We enter now channel 2. Yeah, you have to look here to these levels. This is our new level here. This was only, how can I say, the walls stretch these formations to the upside so that you should believe that we will go here to $70 or $80. But this formation is for the future good, even if if we're going here to the downside to levels of, let me look what we have here, at these levels to $1 levels, that not means that we will not break this to the upside. So I think we will make something like that, stretching to levels to 0 end of the year, and nobody see this, yeah, and we will break this at these levels here. But it is, how can I say, a little bit difficult to come back to these levels. Yeah, so I don't think that we will get here at the beginning of 2023 something like that from $1 to $10. Yeah, so it is possible, but we have to watch. So let's look here what we have here. Let me look. I make one more. Please, the other subscribers, you can request this, what you write to me in the Wolf Profi, or other memberships, yeah, like Wolf Price Target or Wolf Exclusive Club, then I can make this for you. So we're looking to the next. What is the next? Let's look to. I hope that we can find here something. Oh, okay. Yes, it is a good crypto, but we have to look if this crypto is in 2 years dead or alive. Yeah, that's the problem from these coins. From the technical point of view, then I would say to you, yes, we have here a hammer, and this hammer is positive. Yeah, even if we have here short-term negative signs. So in my eyes, um, yes, this has potential to the upside. Yeah, but short term, I would say that we will go here to these levels and the half of them, and that means 006, 007, and then the price will go out of this negative channel and go, I think, more sideways, more dead, yeah, and in the new year the price will go a little bit to the upside, but it depends really what happens with this project, if this project is alive or dead. For you, as holder from Zaito, I would say for you is this year important. Yeah? If we break here the 10 cent, then it's no financial advice. Then personally, I would invest here big. Yeah? If we um, break the structure of 10 cent, that means that the price will explode after the 10 cent. If the price is only staying here at this levels here, then be careful. Yeah, the price could go really hard to the downside like this. So I'm finished. For the other people and subscribers, please request this in the Wolf Profi and other membership. I do every month analyze of these cryptos. Yeah. In the Wolf Profi, you get the next target. If you want analyze like this is mm, quality of Wolf Exclusive Club and Wolf Price Target. Yeah, you can request this in in these memberships. So I'm finished. I would say have a nice day, have a nice good evening, and maybe tomorrow I would make the next live stream. Please share the videos to your friends and family. If the channel can grow, yeah, then I can make every 2 hours a live stream for you. Yeah, so I think, how can I say, if you give if you share the videos, then I can make for you more services good for you. Then you know, okay, what happens next. Memberships are, for example, I can share the link to the video. There's a good explanation of these memberships. And if you want detail analyzed, then I would recommend it for you the Wolf Exclusive Club or Wolf Price Target. Or if you want all of them, then come in the Wolf Bitcoin Club. Yeah. So if you say no, I want only the next target like this here, only here this, not this, then you have to request the Wolf Profile. So I would say good night. See you later. See you tomorrow.